Layering is one of the most powerful design techniques because it adds depth, hierarchy, and visual storytelling to even the simplest repeating graphics. How to explore pattern layering concepts. Launch Photoshop and create a square document, ideally 1600 by 1600 pixels. Then design your base motif using the pen, shape, or brush tool. Duplicate it across the canvas with consistent spacing to form your first pattern layer. Next, create a second layer and design a contrasting motif, perhaps smaller shapes or subtle textures, arranging them between the original elements. Adjust opacity or blending mode so both layers remain visible without competing for attention.